Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure your Apple ID is active and you can sign in. Once signed in, go to Settings or App Store to view payment methods, add a card, PayPal, or redeem a gift card. Make sure the billing address matches your bank records and confirm your region because tax and pricing depend on it. If you plan to add funds directly to your Apple account, choose Add Funds and pick an amount. This lets you spend without hitting a bank for small purchases. Now use your Apple account balance or payment method to complete purchases. When you hit Buy, select Apple ID balance or Apple Cash if available, because that prioritizes preloaded funds. For subscriptions, tap Subscriptions in your account to choose Plan, Billing Cycle, and confirm payment source. Recurring charges will draw from balance first. For in-app purchases, double-check your payment prompt and authentication. If a purchase fails, finish by confirming the purchase and saving the receipt. You can view charge details in purchase history or your email. If you need a refund, use Report a Problem or contact Apple support and explain the issue succinctly. If a payment is declined, first make sure your card details and billing address are correct. Then check daily limits and international blocks with your bank. If problems persist, sign out and back into Apple ID and contact Apple support with the transaction ID for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.